The Niusken Cordless Car Buffer kit uses a random orbital action and a pure copper motor to deliver smooth, swirl-resistant results that are forgiving for beginners, yet satisfying for experienced detailers. Its 6 adjustable speed settings, shown clearly on the built-in light-emitting diode display along with battery status, make it easy to match power to delicate paint correction or heavier polishing work. 2 included 21-volt rechargeable battery packs provide enough runtime to complete a full vehicle without constantly stopping to recharge, which is especially helpful for larger cars and sport utility vehicles. Despite its strong performance, the tool remains pleasantly lightweight with an ergonomic grip, so extended polishing sessions put far less strain on your hands and arms. The generous accessory bundle, with multiple foam pads, wool pads, microfiber bonnets, and sanding discs, lets you tackle waxing, polishing, scratch reduction, and even light sanding without needing extra purchases. Beyond automotive paint, this buffer works well on boats, wood, metal, and hard surfaces like marble or ceramic, making it a versatile detailing tool to keep around the garage or workshop.